how to take a 2022 Camaro wing off.
It went in the trunk.
All right, they make them just a hard for it.
We're gonna try not to go to hard.
Yeah, man, we just like to keep all the original parts in, but you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be right by the time it leave. All intent.
It's in the trunk.
You talk to Phil today?
Yeah.
What you talking about?
Well, he doing security.
Okay.
Ooh, no. Should I have some strong fingers? Come on. Yeah.
Joe, right, they got no screws you were talking about right there.
They're gonna be in the center somewhere. Right there. And right there.
So you think a deep 10?
No, that ain't gonna fit. I'm gonna need a 10 wrench.
I got something for that.
It's under here.
Yeah. Two
You need a
10s.
10mm wrench to get to
Need a
it.
10mm wrench to get to it. You gonna get to it tonight?
Paul still closed, so we gotta do what we gotta do.
Yeah.
Took one out, I'm taking the hardest one down there. Almost there.
There's some vice grips. What you call that? Wire plies. So you need the 10, but you can do it with some wire plies.
Not the proper way to do it.
Not the proper way to do it.
But I know what I'm doing, so we alright.
Certified mechanic, man. How long you been a mechanic for?
12 years old, I'm 29.
So what? 12 and 12, 24, 4 and 5 and 9. So 17 years. If you drop the screw inside this joint, it's gonna be hard to get out, ain't it?
You ain't getting it out.
You ain't? It'll fall out by itself eventually?
No.
It's gonna always rattle in there?
Forever. It ain't gonna rattle, but it gonna be still.
Alright. 2 10s right there. 2 10s right here.
2 over here.
2 over here. Be gentle. You got a 10. That's a 10M. Grab the weight.
It doesn't sound like you know what you're talking about. See. Go on this side, Grip.
Yeah. Hold on. Man, that wrap coming together, man. We got the door handles off, the mirrors off. Man, now we taking off the wing. Last step in the plan.
What
Plastic tubes it. Probably just glued on to the jack. I get some separation. Wait, want me to get my heat gun?
You know this part, I don't like doing.
It seems like some of those screws in that motherfucker or something.
Alright.
Use my heat gun.
Yeah.
Use my heat gun.
Well, I need it.
No, I'm asking you, should I use it?
You might have to tell ALP production.
What's LP?
See.
Oh. We got all the screws out. We just don't want to tear it up accident, so we're gonna take a break. Once we get loose, BRB. Get a little heat. You can hear it separating. Yeah, I'm using the heat to take it off. Oh shit. Yep. One out, one down. It's just a lot of that factory glue. Pull it back a little bit. Try to get some heat in there. Shit. I'm glad no work went on that motherfucker. Yep, no much some plastics. That shit was super tough. But as you see, we ain't breaking none. Probably broke some factory seals, so they can tell if you've been in here or not. But other than that, everything's still intact. Just some factory stuff. Oh yeah, we in business now. Where the trunk button at?
On the bump. Reach up, stick your hand on the bump.
Okay, like the Corvette. Okay, little button right here. Yes, sir. We got that wing off. Whew! Now I can do the whole quarter pounder now. I can do the quarter pounder, the doors, the fenders, the trunk.